So we have the ability to install pre-finished or unfinished doors. My opinion is that pre-finished doors are the best, especially in Minnesota where we kind of have a limited painting season. The pre-finishing process at the door manufacturer can't be duplicated in the field. They have it out at the perfect temperature. They're applying it in a horizontal space, and then they have the warranty on that. So that's definitely the best way to do that. And that's done before the door is put together, so you don't have to screw in the hinges or take it off the hinges and then put it back in. The cons of finishing it in the field is that you have to pick the perfect day, and then you have to leave your door open for an extended period of time until it dries. And so it's just a lot. If there's a color that you like that you can find in the pre-finished option, I'd highly recommend that.